Good morning, students. Hope watching videos and understanding the concept, we can easily manage our work if we complete then and there. So, try to do your work. Don't keep it pending. Let's start our today's class, that is probability, exercise 13.2, problem number 5th. I'll just read the 5th question for you all. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? See figure. And there are equally likely outcomes. That is, the chances of everyone is equal. What is the probability that if we point at first bit 8, what is the chances of getting a number 8? Next second bit, an odd number. Third bit, a number greater than 2. Fourth bit, a number less than 9. So let's begin. First bit. What is first bit? To get a number 8. How do you write? Let E be the event. This is compulsory. Let E be the event. Let E be the event that arrow comes to rest at 8. Comes to rest at 8. So the chances for getting number 8 is how much? 1. Number of favorable outcomes to get number 8. 8 ये 8 आने के अब शूट करें हम एरो 8 पे आने के क्या चांसेस है 1. So favorable outcome is 1. Total possible outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total possible outcome is 8. So after this you are going to put the formula P of E is equals to, as you all know the formula, P of E is equals to number of favorable outcomes by number of total possible outcomes. See, P of E is equals to number of favorable outcomes. To get number 8 आने के क्या chances है 1. Total possible यानी कितने possible outcomes है 8. So answer is 1 by 8. Come to the second bit. Get an odd number. To get an odd number, let E be the event. आपको पूरा ऐसे लिखना है डायरेक्ट आंसर्स नहीं लिखेंगे वैसे पीडीएफ में एवरीथिंग विल बी देयर बट इन एग्जाम यू हैव टू राइट इट इन अ सिस्टमैटिक वे लेट ई बी द इवेंट दैट द एरो विल पॉइंट एन ऑड नंबर लेट ई बी द इवेंट दैट एरो विल पॉइंट एट एन ऑड नंबर व्हाट आर ऑड नंबर 1 is odd okay 1 is odd 3 is odd 5 is odd 7 is odd 1 2 3 4 what are favorable outcomes number of favorable outcome is 4 total possible outcomes आपको मालूम है total possible outcomes कितने 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 so 4 by 8 but you are not going to write the answer directly you are going to follow this step the third one a number greater than 2 से बड़े नंबर्स कितने हैं 3 4 5 6 7 8 that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 a number which is greater than 2 कितने हैं so total possible outcome is how much 6 by favorable outcomes that is number greater than 2 कितने हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 favorable outcome is 6 number of total possible outcomes 6 by 8 जहाँ पर भी कैंसिल हो रहा है यू डू द कैंसलेशन 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 1s are that is 1 by 2 2 3s are 2 4s are that is 3 by 4 next the last bit a number less than 9 let E be the event you are going to define it let E be the event. Let E be the event that the arrow will point a number less than 9. कैसे लिखेंगे हम आप लोग? That will be there in the PDF. Let E be the event that the arrow will point a number less than 9. Less than 9 क्या होता है? 8 होता, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So total favorable outcomes कितने हैं? 8 है. Favorable outcome is 8. Favorable outcome is 8 and total outcomes, number of total possible outcome is also 8. 8 by 8 is 1. Once again I'll explain if you want. Favorable outcome, what is our formula? Number of favorable outcomes by number of total possible outcomes. आपको favorable outcomes पहले देख लेना मान. Less than 9 बोला. Less than 9 कितने होते हैं? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 है आपका. Favorable outcome is 8. Number of total possible outcome is also 8. 8 by 8, so the answer is 1. It is very simple chapter, but you have to write in a systematic way. Directly you are not going to put the answer. Question number 6. I'll just read the question. One card is selected from a well-shuffled deck of cards, deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting first bit, a king of red color, a king of red color. Red में दो रिंग है, hearts and diamonds. A king of red color, first bit that is. Second bit, face cards. Third bit, a red face card. Fourth bit, the jack of hearts. Fifth bit, a spade. Sixth bit, the queen of diamonds. So let's start with the first bit. Number of possible outcomes. Number of possible outcomes. One card is selected from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. So what are the number of possible outcomes? That is number of total possible outcomes is 52. The first bit that is a king of red color. A king of red color. What is your first bit? A king of red color. Everything is there in the PDF very clearly. आप उसको फॉलो भी करते रहेंगे माँ. King of red color. पहले आपको लिखना है let E be the event. Let E be the event. Let E be the event of getting. Let E be the event of getting a king of red color. A king of red color. Okay. After this, you are going to put the formula. What is your formula? P of E is equals to number of favorable outcomes. हम लोग ये बहुत पहले से लिख रहे हैं. by number of total possible outcomes. Okay. So P of E is equals to, अब आ जाइए माँ, a king of red color. red color, red क्या है माँ? hearts and diamonds. heart में एक king है और डायमंड में एक किंग है. सो अपना फेवरेबल आउटकम्स कितने हो गए माँ? नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम इज 2. दैट इज 1 फ्रॉम हार्ट एंड 1 फ्रॉम डायमंड. दैट इज 1 king from heart and 1 king from diamond, both comes under red. So that is number of favorable outcome is 2. By number of total possible outcome is how much? 52. 2 by 52. If it is getting cancel it. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are. Answer is 1 by 6. Sorry, 1 by 26. Second bit, a face card. अ फेस कार्ड किसको बोलते हैं माँ? किंग, क्वीन, जैक. जो कार्ड्स पे फेसेस बने हुए रहते हैं, द कार्ड्स विच आर हैविंग फेसेस आर कॉल्ड एज फेस कार्ड्स. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So how many cards are there? Face cards. So how many are there? 12. Put the formula. The formula, once if you have written the question, solution, it's enough. So P of E is equals to how many face cards are there? That is number of favorable outcome is 12 by total possible outcome is how much? 52. Okay, cancel it if it's getting cancelled. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4 carry, 4 3s are 12, that is 3 by 13. Now come to the third bit. I'll just read the third bit. A red face card. Red face card. Red में face card कितने में? 1 2 3, that is king queen jack. 1 2 3. Diamonds भी comes under red. 4 5 6. So how many cards are there? 6. So P of E is equals to 6 by 52. 2 3s are 26, that is 3 by 26. Fourth bit is the jack of heart. Heart में jack कितने में? 1. How many in jack? How many? In hearts, how many jacks are there? 1. So answer is number of favorable outcome is 1. Total possible outcome is how much? 52. So P of E is equals to 1 by 52. Next, fifth one, a spade. Spade कितने में? अब आप लोगों को पता चलना चाहिए कि this is 13. Spade is 13. Heart is 13, club is 13, clubs are 13, diamond is how much? 13. So spade पूछ रहा, let E be the event of getting a spade card, that is a spade, that is 13 by 52. Let E be the event of getting a spade, that is P of E is equals to कितने में? स्पेड्स कितने रहते हैं आपको? भी बोली मैं 13 by 52. If it is getting cancelled, you do it 13 1s are 13 4s are. The answer is 1 by 4. Next, the sixth bit is the queen of diamonds. Diamonds में कितने queen है माँ? Queen of diamonds में कितना queen है? 1. Number of favorable outcomes आपको चेक कर देना. Diamonds में कितने queen है? 1. So that is P of E is equals to 1 by 52. Directly you are not going to answer. You are going to write it. Let E be the event of getting the queen of diamond. In this way you are going to write it and then do the solution, that is P of E is equals to 1 by 52. Seventh question. I'll just read the seventh question. 5 cards. We are just taking 5 cards. 5 cards. The 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of diamonds are well shuffled with the face downwards. We are taking just 5 cards that are 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of diamonds are well shuffled. One card is selected at random. We are just taking out one card. First bit, what is the probability that the card is Queen? The first question. Okay, we are taking out of this 5, we are just taking out one card. What are the chances of getting Queen? How many queens are there? 1. Number of favorable outcome is 1. Total possible outcome is 5. Just put the answer, put the formula and put the answer. Next, the second bit. If the Queen is selected and put aside without replacement, what is the probability that the second card selected is an Ace first bit, a Queen a second bit? It is very easy. See, we are taking the 5 cards. So now the total number of cards are how many? The total number of cards are 5. Now we have to see out of this card, when we are taking out, it should be a Queen. Queen आने के कितने chances हैं? 1. How do you write? Let E be the event that the card taken out is a Queen. P of E is equals to number of favorable outcomes by number of total possible outcomes or total outcomes. It is 1. P of E is equals to number of favorable outcomes, that is number of queens is how much? 1 by total possible outcome is 5. Now second bit, if the queen selected after getting the queen from the first one, if the queen is selected and put aside, we are not keeping this queen again in the cards. Once the queen is selected, we are not keeping this queen, we are removing aside, we are not keeping this. Okay, what is the probability that second card is an ace? Ace आने की क्या chances है? What are the chances of getting ace? That is 1. But number of cards left after removing queen, queen जाने के बाद कितने हो जाते हैं? That is 5 minus 1, that is 4. So now in the second case, total number of cards will be how much? 4. That is total number of possible outcome is 4. Next, let E be the event that the card taken out is an ace. Ace आने की क्या chances है माँ? Ace के कितने हैं माँ chances? 1 by number of favorable outcome is 1. Total possible outcomes will be 4. Why it is not 5? Because we are not replaced the previous card. We are just keeping it aside. So we got it 1 by 4. Second bit, what is the probability of getting? What is the probability that the card is queen? हमारे पास इस पे queen है माँ. This queen has been removed. We have removed this queen. अब queen है ही नहीं. So this is what? Impossible event. Queen है ही नहीं. Impossible event. So answer for impossible event is 0. 0 by 4 or impossible event you can write directly 0. That is 0. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day. See you again. Bye.